Hi y'all, Karma here. So great to see you again. I today am opening my Cause aftermarket box. So I'm not going to go into all the details on the Cause subscription box. If you want those details, some of them will be in the description below, as well as in the last week and a half, I think, I put up the spring CauseBox box unopening on my channel. So go ahead and go to my CauseBox folder and pick that up if you want more information and to see what we got in the main box. But this is my aftermarket box. And Cause offers aftermarket items that you can get and you just pick and choose. And so I wanted to share with you what I got really quickly. I have kids coming home in about 30 minutes and 2 more videos to get done. So this is going to be kind of a quick opening just to share with you and show with you. Guess I haven't said yet, but welcome to my channel if you're new. I hope that you want to subscribe and join our holistic healing community where we do box unopenings and different things dealing with physical, spiritual, emotional health and things like herbs and sound and meditation and crystals and all kinds of fun things like that. So let's get right into this box and let me show you what I ordered. So first I got this nice Deluxe bottle sling. You know I just bought a house out in Colorado and I'm excited to go and do some hiking and hanging out. So this is just a beautiful heavy duty water bottle sling that goes off your shoulder and comes down. Let's see if I can get up high enough for you to see. Like this right here and hang your bottle right there so that it doesn't have the weight, especially with these where it's a big bottle of water. Sometimes they can be a little bit hard and heavy to carry around in your hand. You don't have anywhere to put them. And sometimes if you have someplace to put them, like on a fanny pack or something, they're kind of weighing you down. So I thought that'd be a nice addition for my hiking and out herbing when I get to Colorado. Next, I got 4 of their bath bombs, Snooze Bomb, Patchouli, and Pink Grapefruit. I did use one of their bath bombs that came in one of their boxes, and it was so good that I did want to go ahead and order more. You know I make my own bath bombs, but these are really special and really amazing. Let me show you what they look like. Look how pretty. And you can see how big it is. Look how big they are. Huge, huge bath bomb. So pretty. So I got 4 of those, and they come in this nice little, to keep them from breaking and cracking up. And I think I got all the same ones. Yeah, patchouli and pink grapefruit. Yep. Okay, so 4 of those bath bombs. Then I got these cute little earrings. I love the design of these where they just kind of loop in your ears and then hang. And I thought that maybe, you know, I might take these out. I lost my big diamond hoops that I had, and so I just got something that was a little bit cheaper and thought I'd get some amethyst and some diamonds. And I do like these, but I don't really like how it looks. So between mint mongoose, I haven't gotten any of their earrings yet, but I may look at that and see if I can't find something. But I thought these would be kind of cute with my earrings there and fit the other earrings that I had. So I got those little earrings. Now, I did get these from them before. These are their baking mats. And I didn't know at the time that I ordered it, but we now have the house in California, in Colorado. So I'll be packing this in the box to go up to the new house. I use these all the time, though, in my current house. These are just silicone mats that you put on your baking tray so that you don't have to use wax paper or that kind of thing when you're doing your baking. And then they clean up so easily and nice. So I ordered 2 more of those to use in my kitchen, and now they'll go up to my new kitchen. I can't wait. So excited. Then this I got to work with my herbalism stuff. A lot of times when I'm doing my tinctures or infused oils or those kinds of things, I've done big batches where I've done ointments and that kind of thing, and I'll use a crock pot with my quart jars with my oil and my herbs and use that for 48 hours, infusing on low heat with a little bit of water in it to infuse the herbs that way and make my ointments, the healing ointments and those kinds of things that I make. But I've also been doing with the boxes that I've been getting where I've been doing them more traditionally, or they call it the folk method, where you just put the herbs in and then the oils on and then you just shake them every day, and then there's different times depending on whether it's a small flower or a bark or something like that that might take longer to infuse. This is kind of the in-between phase that I really wanted. This is a cute little coffee press, and I don't drink coffee, so I won't be using it for coffee, and I'll keep it away from my husband, who would like to use it for coffee. But look how cute that is. And the purpose that I got this for is with your herbs, when you're making something, if you need to make a smaller batch but need to make something really fast, you can take and use the oil or the water or whatever you're doing, and you can heat it and then pour it in here with the herbs and then let it sit for a little while to let those herbs infuse, and then push down this, which will keep all the herbs in the bottom, and then pour out your oil or whatever you're infusing. So I got this to actually process my herbs with, and I'm super excited about that. And the last thing I got was these little baby snack containers. You know, I have a grandson, so always nice to have some more containers, but I also like them even for myself. And these will probably go up in the new kitchen as well. And oh, these are so cute. So look, they're all silicone, so it's nice. They'll fit in, you know, something small. And then you've got it wide open so that you can get to your food in there, but they're like a little Ziploc bag. You actually can close them. I'm not going to do it very well. Let me get one that's already closed. So there's one that's closed. So you can actually zip them up like that, and then they're closed. So just cute little containers to take some little snacks in. That's really nice. I like those. So I got these little containers, the coffee press, 4 of the bath bombs, beautiful little silver earrings, and the water bottle shoulder carry case. So those are the items I chose from the aftermarket. Did you get any aftermarket items? If you did, what did you choose? And what do you think of it? And did you get any of the same items I chose? Let me know what you think. Please remember to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.